On this video, we're going to take a look at the Carbon Blend Brushed Aluminum Glass Random Strip Mosaic Backsplash tile. It features quite a lot of different types of materials in one single, easy to cut mosaic tile. This is Sassy Premium Stone. One piece is 12 inches by 15.25 inches, which is 30.5 by 38.5 centimeters. So it's 1 square foot, 0.09 meters squared. You could use this for backsplashes, showers, niches, pretty much anything. The cutting is quite easily. There's a mesh. You could just kind of cut in between with scissors. And when you look at it closely, they're kind of these hollow aluminum pieces. The cost is $17 for one of these, but it's actually quite nice quality. There's a lot of things going on in here, a lot of materials for 19 bucks. So here is kind of like what we attempted to do right now. So we're doing a stripe, right, between the tiling. That's just a dry fit, but that's basically what it looks like right here. There's some cross-hatched aluminum. There's some sort of like a beigey, dark brownish, greenish opal almost. There's like another black here, more black here. When you line them up, you can see that the stripes go all the way straight up. It's actually quite easy to fit these. I'm gonna show you. So when you fit these, they basically go right into each other. See that? Like a puzzle.